We got these firecrackers. Let's check them out. Here's cone number 3. It says performance image shower of silver sparks over 2 meters high and 25 seconds. We'll be shooting these off later. And this is another cone 3. Does the exact same thing. And here's another cone number 3. But this one says it goes for 22 seconds and it sparks to crackles. Here's another cone number 3. This one does 25 seconds. There's a world-class cone before use only. It here says emit showers of silver sparks over 2.6 meters high in 30 seconds. That'll be cool to see. Oh, let's not pull that big one out yet. This one says, this is the spring blossom. It says, what does it do? Doesn't say. Then there's this big old cone number 8. It says emit showers of silver sparks over 3 meters high and 35 seconds. Yeah, that'll be some kind of a show. We got this thing called the jumping jet. Spins on ground and it's flame and sparks. It just says do not hold in hand and stuff like that. And this is the happy fireworks. Shoots flaming balls and reports. Sounds like some creepy stuff. Thunder snaps. High performance fuseless firecrackers. So in other words, you could just throw them at the ground and they explode. Oh, and we got another one. And another one. And another one. And there's this thing called crop circles. It says emits showers of sparks, spins upward, and rises into the air. Okay. And guess what? We got another one of those. And another one. And we got this thing called the Dragon Oriental. So if we can read this, it says caution, moves on ground, emits whistle, flame, and sparks. It's very hard to read, but it's right there. Oh, and we have another one of those. We got this thing called Mega Banger Color Pearl Flowers. Warning, shoots flaming balls.
Flaming ball shooters.
Yeah, that's what it says. Tank.
I wonder what the crop circles would be.
Moves on ground, emits flames and sparks. Yeah, that's gonna be dangerous. And by the way, we got freaking 2 more of those. Put down the spinny thing. And then there's these things called brown bloom flower. It says caution, spins on ground, emits flames and sparks. That's what it said. That's what it said. And then we got another one of those. And there's these things called Legend, Strobe and Crackling. Caution, flammable, emits flashes of light. And there's another one of those, but it's gold.
And one of them is blue for some reason.
And then these things called Junior Cukoos. Caution,
emits
emits showers of sparks. We place this down and there's a lot more.
Yeah,
these
most of these are Mega Banger brand.
Disco Flash. Caution, flammable, emits flashes of light.
Disco Flash.
And there's these things called Disco Flasher. Caution, flammable, emits flashes of...
See, let's name off all the ones made by Mega Banger.
No.
Cone number 3, cone number 8.
And then there's another one of those. We're gonna be lighting all
Make a bigger
these
color
off.
pearl flowers.
We're gonna be lighting all these
Junior
off later.
Cukoo.
So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be doing this later. Bye.